Hello, my name is Renu Jaiswal and today we will be learning square root by division method. The method I have already explained, but here I'll explain one more time while solving the sum. So there are 12 questions. Out of these, we will solve 2 of 4 digit. Maybe we can take the second one and the seventh one, and 2 3 digits number. Like I can take this one and also we can take this one. So let's see one by one how to do it. So the first step to solve square root of 4489 is what? Draw a line like this, almost the same as we do for long division, and pair it from the right hand side. So the very first step is pairing the number starting from ones place. Pairing means making. Pair means 2 number at a time. 8, 9 and 4, 4. This is the pair. Write a number as a divisor and same number as quotient so that the multiplication of these two should not exceed 44. So if I take 7, it is 7 sevens are 49, which is more than 44. Less number than 7 is 6. So I think 6 will fit here. 6 6 are 36. This is the first step. And then as we divide, simply divide it, and it is how much? 8. And this is 0. The second step is the quotient you have to add into the divisor. So here the quotient is 6. So 6 plus 6 will give you 12. That is the second step. In third step, we take the next pair. In division, we take 1 by 1 digit, but here we take pair while finding square root. So I'll take the next pair, which is 89 over here. Next step is write a number here next to 12 and the same number here in the quotient, and only this last number should be multiplied by this full number. Keep this in mind. The last number should be multiplied this full number so that it should not exceed 889. So I'll do rough work here. Suppose I take 1, 2 and the next digit is 3. So I will write 3 as quotient also and multiply this. Here the quotient only last digit I'll take. But here at divisor, I will take 1, 2 and the number which I will write here. So it is 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, and this is very less number. So let's try little bigger. Suppose I have 1, 2 and take 7. So I will write quotient also 7. 7 sevens are 49, 4. 7 2s are 14 and 4 18, carry on 1. 7 and 1 is 8. It is exactly same. So I'll write 7 and 7. It is 8, 8, 9. And repeat the steps from 1, 2, 3. Means subtract it. Add the last quotient here. Here the addition is not required because I already got my square root, which is 67. So I can write square root of 4489 is 67. Suppose I would have one more pair here, then drag that number here at the bottom and repeat the process. Let's see another question. I will take 5776. So 5776. What is the first step? Pairing the number from ones place. So this and this. Write a number as divisor and same as quotient. So if I'll take 7 sevens are 49. And next number is 8 8s are 64, which is higher than 57. So I'll take 7. 7 sevens are 49. What is the next step? Subtract it. So this is 8. When I'll add this quotient here, I'll get 40. Correct? That is the process. The last quotient has to add it to divisor. Now, next step is take the next pair over here. Same to same, 14 I already have. Write a number here. Same for the quotient so that the multiplication should not exceed 876. Here I have very important tip for you. See, the last digit is 6. So if I write 4 here and 4 here, I'll get 4 4s are 16. So it can be either 4 or even I can use 1 4 already have, then 6 and 6. This is also going to give you 6 6 are 36 to match this last digit. So either 4 or 6 will definitely work. Okay. 4 4s are 16, carry on 1. 4 4s are 16 and 1 17, carry on 1. 4 and 1 5. It is 576, which is less than 876. Try this number. So 146 into 6. 6 6 are 36, 3. 6 4s are 24. 25, 26, 27, carry on 2. 6 and 2, 8. Perfect. So that number is working. And after subtracting it is 0. So I need not to add. Like here I have added. If you wish, you can. But actually it is not required. Correct? Sorry, this was 6. Add the last digit if you wish. If the number is here, as there is not, it is not mandatory. So last divisor So the quotient I have 76. It means square root of 5, 7, 7, 6 is 76. Let's move to the 3-digit number. What to do with them? So I have 529. So try that. The process is same. Pair from right hand side. So this is one pair. 5 is alone. So I will handle 5 separately. Write a number here. I can see clearly it is 2 2s are 4. Correct? Other process is same to same. The quotient has to add it to the divisor, which is 4. Take the next pair here, which is 29. Write a number here and here also. So as the last digit is 9, mostly I need to write 3 over here. Because 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. It is coming 0 0 0. So my square root of 529 is 23. You remember in prime factorization, we have struggled a lot to get that prime number which divide 529. Because we have to check the number starting from 2 till 23. So it will take time. But long division method, initially maybe it is difficult to understand. But later on, it is so easy to solve square root. Now see the last number which we have decided, that is ninth one, 576. So take 576, pair it from right hand side. Again 5 is alone. So we will handle separately. Take a number here. It is clearly 2 2s are 4. If I take 3 3s are 9, it is more than 5. So need not to subtract it 1 and add these two numbers. So 2 over here will give you 4. The next pair is 76. So I have to write number here. So 4 something into something, the same number should give 176. As the last number is 6, it look like it will be 4. So 4 4s are 16, carry on 1. 4 4s are 16 and 17. Perfect. So I need to write 4 over here, which is giving 176, 0, 0, 0. It means the square root of 576 is 24. Hope this is clear. The long division method is clear to you. In case you want to learn further in detail, you can join my online classes. I take the classes from 8th to 12th standard. I'm saying it again and again because this channel is new and many of you don't know how to contact it. You can DM me on Instagram, and my Instagram handle is the same as YouTube, that is let's underscore score underscore food. In case you wish, you can. Let's move to the next question. So the second question says, find the number of digit in the square root of each of the following number without any calculation. So here we need not to do the calculation and tell the number of digit is there in its square root. So we need to count the number of digit first in the original number. How many numbers are there? Here in the first question, there is 2 digit. As 2 is even, so the number of digit in its square root is n by 2. That is 2 by 2 means square root will have only one digit. And we also know the square root of 64 is 8, which is a single digit. So it depends on the number of digit the number have. If n is odd, what we need to do? It's a simply n plus 1 divided by 2. Because odd number I cannot divide it by 2. It will come in decimal. And decimal make no sense. So here n plus 1 divided by 2. Take the example of fourth one. How many digits I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As n is 5, which is definitely odd. So number of digits in its square root is how? Square root is nothing but the number, how many digits I have, plus 1 divided by 2. So here I have 5. 5 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 6 divided by 2 means 3 digits will be there in the square root of 27225. And here as the digit is 6, which is even, simply divided by 2. Means 6 divided by 2, its square root will have only 3 digits. Clear? Coming to the next question. Here, it says, find the square root of the following decimal number. The process is same as we have done for the integers. It's the same to same. The only thing is the pairing have different method to pair it. Let's see. Again, I will do one 3-digit number and one 4-digit number. So here I have 7.29. How to pair the number? I have to pair the number starting from the decimal towards the right hand side and towards the left hand side. Means the digit which is after decimal, I have to start pairing starting from decimal. So this is 29 itself is a pair and 7 is separate. Suppose the number would have been something 7.29 and 5 also. So what I'll do? I'll make one pair 29 and 5 does not have pair. So I'll just simply add 0, which we can do. And we have already learned into the introduction of the exercise. So same process, 7 is pair, 29 is a pair. Right number here. 3 3s are 9 is going to be more. So I'll take 2 2s are 4. So when I'll write here 4, after subtracting, I'll get 3. The last number I need to add, last quotient, which is 4. Now, the decimal has come after digit and then only I can take 2 and 9. So push the decimal upward. So decimal will go in the quotient. Now I can take the pair downward. Again, 4 with some number dash multiplied by, here I need to write the same number dash. As I can see, the last digit is 9. So it can be either 3 because 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, which is very less. So the last 7 can also come by 7. So 4, 7 and 7. 7 7s are 49, 4. 7 4s are 28 and 4, 32, which is exactly same. So here it is 7 and again 7, which is giving me 329. Subtracted as the remainder is 0. This is 7, do not get confused. So square root of 7.29 is nothing but 2.7. Now let's see the fourth question. It's the same to same, 42.25. So what is the first step? Let me know in the comment box if you remember what is the first step. Not saying after the answer. Honestly, message it now. Once you're done, so that I can explain. So we start the pairing from the decimal. From right hand side, I have pair 25 and left hand side, I have pair 42. So right here number 7 7s are 49 is more. So I'll write 6. 6 6s are 36. Subtract it. This will give you 6. Correct? And last quotient we need to add. It is 12. Write a number here. Before that, I need to handle the decimal. I need to take 25 down. So before that, I need to push decimal number. Then take the number. As the last digit is 5, no doubt here it will be 5 only. So 5 5s are 25, 2, 5 2s are 10, 12, 5 and 1, 6. Correct. So subtraction is 0, 0, 0. Clearly, the square root of 42.25 is nothing but 6.5. Clear? Okay, let's move to the next question. What it is? Find the least number which must be subtracted from each of the following numbers. We have to find the least number so that if I subtract that number from following number to get so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square. So obtain. Okay. Here also I will take one 3-digit number and one 4-digit number. The process is same. Nothing much to worry. So what to do? If they ask about subtraction and addition, you have to go by long division. If they ask what need to multiply or what need to divide, you have to go by prime factorization method. This is a tip. Just remember it. Prime factorization. This is when they ask what number to multiply or they ask what number to divide, factorization method will work. But when they ask what need to add or what need to subtract it, in this case, the long division method will work. Keep that in mind as a tip. So see the first question, which is of 3 digits. So 402, as it is asking for which number to subtract, I need to go for long division. Just pair the number as there is no decimal. So start pairing from the unit place. So 0, 2 and 4. All right. 2 2s are 4. Subtract it. It is 0. And add the quotient. Correct? Now take next pair, which is 0, 2. Even though I write 0 here, it is giving me this. So the last remainder is 2. So this is the number I need to subtract from the given number so that it becomes perfect square. Why? Because at the end I'm getting 2. If I subtract this 2 from the number, the last remainder will not be there. As the remainder is not there, it is a perfect square. So take 402, subtract the last remainder, which is 400. And I know I already calculated if I subtract this, 400 square root is 20. So I can write square root of 400 is 20. If you wish, you can try it again, but this is the case. Now, let's try the next number. That is third question, 3250. Again, the pairing from one's place. So this and this. Now, here 6 6 are 36 is more. So I need to take 5 5s are 25. Correct? And subtract it. 12 minus 7, it is 7. So 7 is there. Add the last quotient. Now take this pair, which is 50. Correct? Write a number here and here, so that should not exceed 750. So I can write like this. Suppose I'm writing 5 over here. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 525. Try for 6. So 6 6 are 36 and 6 still less. Try for 7. 7 7s are 49 and 7. 749. Correct. So try it for 7. So, and here also 7. 7 7s are 49. Carry on 4. Zeros are, and then 4 and then 7. 749. When I subtract it, remainder is 1. As the last remainder is 1, subtract 1, you'll get the perfect square. So 3250 minus 1 will give you 3249. And they have also asked the square root of the number so obtained. So definitely the square root of the number obtained, which is 3249, is this only. Because the extra remainder we already subtracted. So what is the last divisor? The last quotient is your square root. Hope you understand this. Coming to the next question. Find the least number which must be added to the following number so as to get the perfect square. Now, this question is similar to the previous one with little modification. As I say little, literally it is little. So let's see one 3-digit number and one 2-digit number, 4-digit number. So I'll try this and this. So first take one 1750. What is there? This one. Again, as it is asking for add, if it is add or subtract, we need to go by, yes, long division method. So pair it. We have done. The number we can take is 4 4s are 16. Correct. Subtract it 1. And the last quotient add here. So which is 8. Now take 50, the next pair. Write a number here and here so that it should not exceed by 150. As I'll write 2, it will become 82. But 82 2s is 160 more than that. So definitely I'll write 1. Correct? You can do by trial error. You will get the same number. So it is 81. Subtract it, which is 9. This is 6. 69 I'm getting. If they would have asked for subtraction, it's a so simple, subtract 69. But they are asking what number to add. In that case, instead of looking this, look at this. 41 square is how much that you take. And the next number, that is 42 chi-square that you take. Correct? So here, what I'll do? 41 chi-square is, just simply we can multiply 41, then 0, 4 and 16. So it is 1861. 41 chi-square is 1681. And 42 chi-square is what? 2 2s are 4 and 16. Then 0, 4 2s are 8 and 16. So I think I've done wrong something. 2 2s are 4 and this has to be 8. And 4 2s are 8 and 4 4s are 16. Correct. So this will give you 4. This is 16, carry on 1. So 1764. Correct? Now, as this is 41 chi-square, actually this was not required. Only I need the next number. 41 chi-square is 1764. Because 41 is coming little less than this number and I need to add, so I'll look for higher number. So 1764 is a perfect square, but they have given 1750. Subtract it. How much it is? 14. So I need to add 14 to the given number so that it become perfect square. So 1750 plus 14. They have asked what need to add. So I need to add 14, which is 1764. And they've also asked find the square root. So I already did. 1764 square root is how much? Here it is 42. Correct? Let's see one more number so that your doubt get cleared. Take 252. Make pair from unit place. So this is only 2. 1 ones will work. So after subtracting, it is 1. Add the last quotient, which is 2. I'll just mark a line here. Now take the next pair and write a number here and here also. So I think 7 will work. So let's check. 27 into 7. 7 sevens are 49, 4. 7 twos are 14 and in 80. It is higher. Try for 6. So 6 6 are 36. Carry on 3. 6 twos are 12 and 15. Still it is higher. Take little less. That is 15. Correct? So 5 5s are 25. Okay, let me write neatly. I'll write here somewhere. So 5 5s are 25, 2, 5 2s are 10 and 12. So it is 7 and then 2, 27. Correct? So try the next number. This is 15 I got. Here also there was 41. So I tried for 42. Now the next number after 15 is 16, right? So take 16 ka square, which is how much? Try it. If you don't know, I have already told, just try to learn the square till how much? 20. I know the square of 16 is 256, but still it is better to calculate and learn if you can. So 6 6 are 36, 6 and 3 9. This is 0 and then 16. So 6, 5 and 2, 256. Out of 256, I have 252, correct? So if I subtract this 252, so I need to add only 4. So if I add 4 to 252, it will become 256 and that is a perfect square. Correct? So answer will be add 4 to 252, which will become 256. And they have also asked the square root of it. So you can write square root of 256 is how much? It is 16. Let's move to the next question. Question number 6. Find the length of the side of a square whose area is this much. Okay. So I have square. I know the square has equal side, that is S and S. And they have given its area 441. Correct? Okay. Now, area of a square, what is that? Area of a square is nothing but side square. Here I have side S square. Correct? Side I have taken S. Or you can write one more statement. Let the side of square is S. So area of a square is side square, which is S square. But they have told the area, that is side square, is how much? 441. So when square goes to another side, it becomes square root. Correct? So 441. And how to find out square root? We already know. You can use long division, you can use factorization or repeated subtraction. The easiest one I find, which take very less time, is long division. So I follow that. So 2 2s are 4. Subtraction is 0. Add this last digit. The process we have already learned. I already have 4. I need to just write 1. So 1 into 41 is this one. So 0 0. So square root of 441 is 21. Means the side of the square is 21 meter. So you can write final answer. Side of the square is 21 meter. Correct? This was quite easy. Next question, question number 7. What it says? In a right angle triangle, angle B is 90 degree. Correct? Angle B is 90 degree. So we can draw a figure. Here is 90 degree. So I need to mark this as B, and A and B, C you can mark anywhere. So this is A and this is B, or vice versa. They have given AB, which is 6. They have given BC, which is 8. And they have asked us to find AC. Correct? This is question mark or take X. Now, what is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem says hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means the side opposite to 90 degree. So this is 90 degree opposite to it. So hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. This is Pythagoras theorem. Correct? We have learned this in many times, especially in chapter 1. AC, I don't know. It is X square. AB is 6. BC is 8. Substitute the value. Now 6 square is 36. 8 square is 64. So X square is how much? This is 100. And simply when square goes another side, we know what it is. Yes. Now, by long division, you can calculate square root, pair it, only 1, 1 ones are 1, subtract, add the last number. Now, next 0, nothing is there, means take 0, 0 zeros are so simple, no? So, square root of 100 is 10. So, AC is nothing but 10 centimeter. Correct? Let's see the second part. I'll do half of it. Why half? I will do only till the part where we need to find out the square root. Remaining you can do. So same process, AC square, AB square plus BC square. Pythagoras theorem. AC they have given this time. AB they have asked. So take this as X, or you can take Y to avoid the confusion of this. BC is how much? 5 square. Correct? Now what? 13 ka square you can multiply, but I prefer, and I keep saying, Learn it. Correct? So this is 25. Transfer this number towards left. 165, 25 is y square, which is 1, 4. Did I do something wrong? Oh, this is 169, my bad. So 169, so 144. And this is y square. So what is y? Nothing but transferring the number. And this is your homework. You can try it and comment in the answer. Okay? Pakka comment kijiye. Let's see the next one. Question number 8. What it says? A gardener has 1,000 plants. Okay. So the number of plants is how much? 1000. He wants to plant these in such a way that the number of rows and the number of columns remain same. Okay. So let me explain what he wants to say. This is my garden. So rows means this row, horizontal line. Suppose I have this row, correct? Like this. Here, this is row. And if there are 4 rows, I need to plant 4 trees. So 1 tree, 2 trees, 3 and 4. Means how many rows are there? That many columns are there. Means that many rows in that many plants in a row. So suppose the number of rows are x. So number of column is also x. Correct? Okay. Now, if I have x rows and x plant in 1 row. Okay, I'll tell you example. Suppose in a classroom, there is a 1 row and 5 kids are sitting in 1 row. So in 2 row, how many kids? 2 into 5. And in 3 row, how many kids? 3 into 5, so on. So if I have x rows and x number of trees, so total trees how many? Total trees are nothing but x into x, which is x square. Correct? Now, I can say x square is 1,000. Find the minimum number of plants. He need more for this. More means I need to add, right? More means extra. Extra means addition. And we have already done this type of sums. Means x is nothing but square root of 100. Find it by long division. So I'll do by long division. Pair it. Correct? I hope the concept is clear. Correct? Whatever extra we need, we have to add that to the 1,000 plants and we'll get the final number. So here 3 3s are 9. Add the last number, which is 6. Subtracted 1. Then take the next pair. I'll take number here and here. I think it is 161. And it will give you a 7, 3, 39. Correct? 31 I have. Take the square of 32. The next number, while addition, we see the next number. So 32 into 32. How much it is? 4 and 6. Then 0, 6 and 3 3s are 9. 4, 2, 1, 0, 2, 4. Correct? Now I have 1,000 subtracted. Extra 24 plants you need. So what they have asked, find the minimum number of plants he needs more for this. So gardener needs 24 more plants. Clear? So there is nothing. There can be thousands of words problem. If you are clear with the concept, none is going to stop you. Clear? See the next question. And I think this is the last one. See, it gives so much happiness by seeing the last question. Correct? Okay. There are 500 children in a school. For a PT drill, they have to stand in a manner that the number of rows is equals to the number of columns. It is same to same. How many children would be left out in this arrangement? So here they are asking how many extra are there, means subtraction they are asking. So you know the process, it is same to same. You have to say let the number of rows is x and number of student in a row is x. So these two multiplication has to be 500. X square is 500. So x is how much? Is square root of 500. Just find out square root by long division. And whatever the remainder is, means whatever you get the remainder at the last, that many student will be left out. Please solve it. I can tell you the answer, or even you can find it over the internet. But if you'll not practice it, definitely you are not going to understand the concept. So that's about exercise this, finish almost. Chapter 5th is also finished. Next, we will start chapter 6 in the next video. Till then, happy studying. Take care and bye-bye.